Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can cancel transfers on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're here, what you will do is go to your Revolut app or your Revolut website. And after that, you will log in with your credentials, of course. And after logging in your account, what you will do is you will go to the payment section and you will have to tap it. And after that, you will locate pending transfer and then go ahead and tap details. And then you will tap cancel transfer and you will confirm it. And once the transfer is canceled, the funds will return to the account. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.